What's going on, guys? My name is Timothy from Sirius Power PC, and today I'm going to show you how to use our custom PC builder. Now, this tool is good if you're looking to build your own rig for gaming, editing, whatever the case may be. Our systems can do the job for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and head over to SiriusPowerPC.com. So once you land here on our site, go ahead and scroll down past all this stuff, and there's two places you can access the custom PC builder. You can either select the custom PC builder here from our Explore Products tab, and that will basically bring you to our 4 preset price points for a custom PC builder, or if you go back and you scroll down just a little bit more, you'll also see our Build Your New Custom Gaming PC tab here. I'm going to show you what happens when you click both. If you click on Next Step, you'll be automatically brought to our custom PC builder. You can find some more information if you were to click Next Page, such as some more information about the specific PC. You're going to automatically be on the $3,500 PC. However, there will be options to obviously change your price point. You'll get some FPS information for different games like Apex Legends, Overwatch, and Valorant. And basically, if you select the $3,500 PC builder, for example, you'll have options for your CPU. So the automatic selection that we're going to give you is the absolute best for $3,500. So in that instance, that right here would be the Intel Core i9-12900K. However, you do have options to either downgrade slightly with the 11900K or upgrade slightly with the 13900K right here as well. Obviously, if you were to select 13900K, it would go up a little bit more, and at the very end of the PC builder, there will be a, total cost, total breakdown and such. So let's continue. Let's just go with the stock options CPU. So we'll hit next to CPU cooler, and there's a roadmap up here at the top that basically just lets you know, where you are currently. Under CPU cooler, automatically selected is our Sirius Power Chill 360mm AIO. Some more information about the water cooler, and again, if you want to switch it out for a 240mm AIO, pay a little bit less money but have slightly less cooling, that's perfectly fine as well. You can select that from below. I'm going to go ahead and click next to motherboard. The recommended motherboard for this build would be the Gigabyte Z90 Aorus. It's a ATX motherboard that uses LGA 1700. If you don't know what that is, again, I'm going to be making a series coming soon where I basically explain how different PC parts work, explain what different wording means and whatnot, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and hit next to RAM. The RAM that we would be using by default for this build would be the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB 32GB of RAM. This is DDR5 RAM and would operate at 6000 megahertz. And again, you can select more RAM down here, and we will be adding options hopefully very, very soon. Now on to storage, we would be by default using the Samsung 980 Pro 2TB storage here. Obviously, again, selections for less storage, more storage, and so on and so forth. Now we'll go ahead and go to the GPU. By default in this build, we would be using the Zotac Gaming Trinity OC GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card. It would come with 24GB of VRAM, so we'll go ahead and click on to power supply. This is the base power supply. Generally speaking, having more in your power supply than your system requires is a good idea, so that if you decide to overclock it down the road, it would be more safe. And just so that, if you're gaming really, really intensely and your graphics card is pulling absolutely everything out of your power supply, you don't want your PC to overheat and crash. That would be bad. Now that we're done that, let's go ahead and click on case. Now, if you'll notice something about the case section, we do not have a replacement or change section. That's specifically because all of the parts that we have selected up to this point require a full ATX case to build this PC in. That would specifically be our Sirius Power Pleiades full tower gaming PC ATX case. And that's just because the parts would fit best and cable manage best with this case. So this is where you get to choose your color, style, and type of fans. So we'll go ahead and click next to the OS. Now, don't be super alarmed by any of this, because I know you can see the $629.99 right here. However, this is everything else coming with your PC. This is Windows. That's going to come with our custom wooden crate that I made a completely separate video on. That crate featured in that video is the exact type and style of crate that all of our PCs and PC cases ship in. You'll get shipping insurance, so if anything breaks during shipping, if you get it and your graphics card is, heaven forbid, split in half, we can replace that super easily, and shipping insurance is covered with that. Lifetime tech support will come with it as well, including free shipping, the manufacturer warranty on each part, so if a particular part lasts longer than another part, is covered by warranty and gives out, like, let's just say your graphics card, to stay on the graphics card trend of things going wrong, let's just say your graphics card craps out and just breaks in 2 years. Depending on the manufacturer that makes your graphics card, you could potentially get that graphics card completely replaced for free, depending on what the warranty covers. So any warranty that come with the specific parts will be included, as well as the build fee as well. And all of that would normally be $629.99. Right here, as you can see, it is $350. So right here, this allows us to review basically everything about our PC. This screen, you've got our CPU cooler, you've got the motherboard, the RAM, the storage, the GPU, the power supply, the case fans, and the OS, which under the OS tab, we have, you know, our shipping insurance wooden crate, the OS itself, the build fee, everything included in that. And as you can see right here, normally it would come out to just shy of $4,000, but with all discounts applied, it would come out to around $3,569. And we also offer a firm financing, so it could start at $124 a month or 0% APR if you qualify for a firm. So then once you're pleased with all of your specs, you can click add to cart, and that will throw the PC in your cart. Now, instead of using this tab to get started building my gaming PC, I'm instead going to come right here and click on custom PC builder. These are the generalized pricing options. Obviously, you can go a little bit more expensive than the pricing option or a little bit less expensive than the pricing option. For right now, I'm going to demonstrate building a $1,200 custom PC. You can see general comparison to the PC there, and you can also see FPS for a variety of various video games right there. Functioning quite like the PC builder from before, we have our default selection, but you can also select more to upgrade your PC. You can also select Ryzen cores on this build as well. We have Ryzen 5s, Ryzen 7s from all different generations. For the sake of demonstration and just to keep the video shorter, I know this video is already running a little longer than a normal Sirius Power PC video, I'll go ahead and just click through this with our default selections made. So the motherboard, the CPU cooler, the RAM, the M.2 solid state drive, the RTX 4060 graphics card, a 750 watt power supply, and you get the gist of things. That would basically be the exact same process as I showed you before. I suppose I should also mention you can come up to the very top of our webpage right here and just click create your custom PC. That'll bring you to the exact same page that the main menu. I just figured you would be on the main menu anyways. It might be easier to locate it on that, but you can also locate create your custom PC up at the top right here. Anyways, guys, that is how to use our custom PC builder here at SiriusPowerPC.com. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below or message us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can leave a comment right down here below on this YouTube video. Right now, we're working to launch a TikTok. Hopefully, that'll be coming soon. I will keep you guys informed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to visit SiriusPowerPC.com anytime you are looking to make the gaming PC of your dreams. I'll talk to you later.